Hello, in this video I'm going to showcase my FYRP project, which is a smart glove that translates sign language into human understandable English language. So for this project I have used flex sensors along with gyroscope and a SC05 Bluetooth module to connect to the app we have developed for this project. So if we look at the American Sign Language or ASL chart, we can see there are so many static American Sign Language gestures using the hand. So we are going to try and replicate some of these gestures in this video, and hopefully our app and smart glove will be able to translate them into English language. So for that, first let's connect to our Bluetooth module to start the app. So if you look at the chart, maybe we can replicate this gesture L. So if we do this, it should give us an output of L. So as you can see that in the mobile app it's saying L. If we do this, it would say B. If we do this, it should say A. It should say L.
B A
Maybe we can replicate the language D, gesture D. So this should be something like this.
D
Now maybe
D
F, something like this.
F
F, again D.
D.
So that's it for the project demonstration. In this video I'm going to showcase how I have integrated the gyroscope with my flex sensors for this project. So if we look at the American Sign Language chart, you can see the hand gesture for D, Z and Q, they are same. It's something like this. Zoom out please. Is something like this. The only difference is when you want to showcase Z, you make a hand gesture like this, so you move your index finger on the x-axis. When you want to showcase Q, you move the finger up and down in the y-axis, and if you want to showcase D, then you just like keep your finger static. So now let's check it out.
এখানে ভিডিও অফ করে দিলেই তো হয়।
Let's connect the software. So here you can see this is the software interface. Let's select alphabet first, then connect to our SC05 Bluetooth module, enable the sound.
D
So as you can see, it's showcasing D.
D
Now if you look at the chart again, you can see that for the G sign, we just have to make a Z symbol or a zigzag symbol. So we are going to replicate that using the gyroscope. So let's try that out. So let's make D first and then move it to the x-axis.
Z
So you can see it's giving the value Z.
Z
Now if we
Z.
stop again, it should say D.
D
Now if we move the finger up and down,
Q
it says Q. Let's stop again.
Q
It should say D.
D
If we move it in the x-axis, then it should give us
Z.
Z. If we move it in the y-axis, it should give us Q.
Q,
Now we stop D,
D.
and that's how we use the gyroscope.